Cause me no wrong. Yeah. Oh, I can't see a thief me $500 and tell me about if you get out me wrong.
Sure. Police coming in my house. Mash up my gate. Mash up my gate.
Wagwan my people, Dancehall Skilla there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Alright my people, so I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you in this video, but I want to make it very clear that I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when any of these videos that I'm about to present to you will be recorded. You understand me? So first up my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person holding some things that look like guns. One of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media for a certain amount of reasons. One of those reasons is because the video shows a person holding some things that look like guns. So when I look at the video and tell me what I think about the video itself or about certain things that I can see in the video, you can tell me if those things that I can see the person holding in the video, if you think they are real guns or if you think they are fake. All right, and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Running with it, cool face. Slap back. Okay. Hold on, I tell so. Oh, cool. Still up it here, boy. Don't feel this out there, Mike. Belt up it. Just smart, eh, man. Only I want no smoke. Caution. See when you come and tell me today. Careful. Careful.
Alright, my people, now, in my point of view, the video that I say is a live recording. And, you know, based on certain videos I say over the years on social media, I will not say that a person wouldn't go on a live recording and show certain things that can incriminate a person. I will not say that because I see videos where some people do some things, send threats and do all kind of things that can cause them to spend years in a prison and them things there. So, I say, so that's why I'm going to present the video to you and I ask you, what you think? I'm not thinking about in the right mind now have to incriminate themselves. I tell you the truth. So let me know what you think. On to the next topic now, my people. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now I'm going to present a video to you, and in this video you can hear a person saying some words to a person who you can see in this video. And in my point of view, and based on some words that a person saying in this video, it seems as if a person who can see in this video was upset or angry. Viewers and subscribers know some people on social media found the video to be funny, but would I like you, my viewers and subscribers, to look and listen to the video and tell me what you think about the video or some words that at least one person said in this video. Now please bear in mind that you can hear quite a number of harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
In front of me, you hear what me know. You can get sick from this blood clot photo because it's a boy that has come inside me, that you know.
Yeah, and I just know what you guys said there.
Well, I know, man, you don't know this because hear this now. Call up and she tell me that it is a low mileage. He call up and have a high mileage in transmission and give it up. We just get a low mileage transmission and she by the said low mileage transmission and want blood clot rob me. So if you want to call the radio station or the TV and stuff, this little bad-minded blood clot, like a white witch or Rosal. And Jamaica, me blood clot come from, so me thick white teeth in them blood clot teeth when they rob me. You get it? I'm in a afraid to chop up blood clot white teeth when they rob me and that. Flavor me I come out of my blood clot forbearance, so you can't go rob me right now. Just to tell her. And you tell her it's a them little boy that called monkey. Right now in a Libya and a Selway, so I might take her right now to jump up on a wall. I'm afraid for the cap I can because the cap will spend many days in judge beg me to plead guilty to let me go, you know. Because I'm not wrong. Yeah. Oh, I can't see a thief me $500 and tell me about if you get out me wrong. Sure. Yes, see, but me spend the money with this virgin and me a some dream night and you want to come take care of side when she a rob me. No, not you. The brother want to come tell me, say, Mr. Dancehall, I'm going to come in many a time and spend the money with him. It's sweet to be a robbery, right? This is when a boy a robbery, you know what we do then. Them are making like the robbery, but let the hell get a blood clot, find them. That's what you get. carry out the ocean, carry out deep sea, go fishing with you. Cause you're friend enemy, you know, when you want to come to something like that. Sweep me up, take my money, then you won't be getting back the money when you don't spend the money. But you know, willfully say, you know, spitefully and willfully, say you give me.
The person seems upset, you know, my people. The person that seems upset or angry, you know.
Like, you don't get no money, I just bring my friend around here, you know. And say, you know what?
Listen.
Robbery, there's no robbery. It's murder. There's no robbery no more, you know. Because me just come to make you feel this blood clot how it feels. You know, see, because we not rob with long time. Hey, sure. Hey, see. Don't even deal with them, man. I'm not doing this. No, man. No, man. She good. You know, then you can just tell me that. No, it's not going to diffuse. It's not going to diffuse. Hold on a
second. My people, and I really never realized somebody else appear in another video than my people. So I say, and you can actually hear somebody in the background of the video make certain sounds as well too. So I say, in my point of view, a person we can see in the video and listen to the other person and say some words and harsh language in my point of view. It seems as if that person was somewhat understanding and willing to listen and hear what the person have to say. But on a real though, that person they sound upset. The person sound upset or angry in my point of view. As I say, they look like somebody did something, or at least one person did something that the person didn't agree with my people. So tell me what you think about that video. Tell me what you think about that situation. You see what I say? Based on some words of the person said, viewers and subscribers. I mean, what do you think? You know, some people on social media found the video to be funny, some don't. So let me know what you think, yeah, my people. I'll tell you. Sometimes I see some videos and I don't want to laugh, but based on some things that happen, it's like me just can't help it sometimes. Alright, so here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, in this video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person complained or said that police damaged a door and something else that you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, if you listen to the accent that the person used to talk in the video and listen to some words that the person said in the video, you might get an understanding as to which country the video had been recorded in. But would I like you to listen to the words that the person said in this video and tell me what you think about the words that the person said. Oh, and please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if those words that the person said in the video are accurate or even true. I'm only listening to some things that the person said in the video and I'm presenting the video to you because the video has been talked about on social media. Alright, observe.
Yes, the door. Yes, because the door can't close. Door can't close. Okay? I'm a person who really try to help the youths and do what I can as a real good resident in Maloney, and this is my results. Police coming in my house, mash up my gate, and mash up my door. How I supposed to sleep tonight? How I supposed to sleep tonight? And I have children and grandchildren living here. How?
Alright, my people, my best advice is that you should always take the legal steps to rectify, you know, certain situations, because you don't know every situations need certain things to be done, you understand? So for example, if something happen pertaining to police and you, then you should go to the necessary authorities to make a complaint if you have anything to complain about or support, you understand me? Yeah, that's the best advice me can give when it comes to a situation like that, you know. May I tell you. Here's how me I go left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.